Hey guys, what's going on? It's me, Paterson, and welcome back to a new video. It's nearly Christmas, so that means some of the YouTube videos on my channel have been a bit slow, but I'm looking forward to next year. But this video is going to be really fun for you guys to look at and oddly satisfying as I do a speed creation of a few different mandala designs in Procreate. Now, so you guys don't have to ask me in the comments, this is done with the iPad Pro 12.9 inch, the third generation with the new second generation Apple Pencil tool using Procreate. Now, if you don't know, Procreate is an app that you can download in the App Store. I'll leave the link down below for you to go and get that, and there's a symmetry part in there as well, so when you go into the drawing guides you can go and make a mandala or some symmetry. So if you don't think you're very good at drawing, try out this cool exercise. You come up with some really cool shapes and it's really fun to do. I hope you guys enjoy this video. It's really fun and you'll learn a lot in there. I just want to give a huge shout out as well to the sponsor of this video, FreshBooks, which I'll talk about more at the end. Let's see this. Thank you so much for watching that video, guys. It was really fun to do. It's basically me just using a new overhead setup that I've got now with the new iPad Pro. Hopefully you enjoy it. If you do, let me know down below so I can make more videos like this. I'm planning on doing a full logo design and vectorizing it all on the iPad within the iPad and filming it this way. So I want to give a huge shout out to FreshBooks for sponsoring this video. Now it's nearly the time to get your tax returns in, so if you are a designer like myself and you're self-employed, freelance, or whatever you do, or you just need better accounting software, then FreshBooks is the software for you. I can send invoices, keep all my expenses automatically. I can see when a client has viewed an invoice that I've sent. I get annual tax summaries and everything else. I can see how much money I've made. If you're a designer or someone who's in the world of business in a small self-employed stature, then I would recommend you go and check out FreshBooks. In fact, they're being so nice to us that they're giving us 30 days of FreshBooks for completely free, risk-free. So for more information and to try it for yourself, click that link down below in the description. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you press that red subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this again, and I'll catch you in the next video. See you soon. Goodbye.